Hi guys! Gawa tayo ng tacos, cucumber, sweet onion, soft taco tortilla, cheese, lettuce, and then sour cream. Guys, look at that. Ang lakas ng snow. Grabe. Wow, natabunan na lahat ng snow, lahat ng mga cars. Grabe. Wow. Look how strong the snow. Wow. So guys, nilagay ko na yung ground beef dito sa pan. Tapos hiniwa ko na rin yung onions. Malalaki talaga ako maghiwa ng onions, guys. Pati yung cucumber. Ay, nagbo-blur. So, next step guys, we are going to put the taco seasoning mix. Ang hirap pala mag-vlog pag nagluluto, no? Request kasi ito sa akin ni Miss Angel. Hi, Miss Angel. Miss you. Grabe, ang hirap mag-film. Wow. Ayan, nilagay ko na siya. Again, taco seasoning mix. Ayan guys, be sure na walang pink na matitira tulad niyan, yan. Dapat walang pink na matitira. Ayan, ang bango niya na guys. Woohoo! And then guys, lagay na natin yung onions para wala na tayo masyadong isi-set up. Oh my gosh, wag sanang matapon. Isang kamay lang gamit ko. Ayan, yan. Yan, basta ganyan. Vlog pa more. Ayan guys, okay na to. Pahinaan lang natin yung apoy. And then, let's put sour cream in the tortilla. Let's spread the sour cream. Spread all over the tortilla. So guys, let's heat up the tortilla. Like that. And then on the half, we are going to put taco finely shredded cheese. Meron pala kaming ganito, guys. Sa half lang. Ayan guys, nag-melt na yung cheese kaya inahon ko na. So, let's put the taco beef. Kain tayo guys while watching The Office. Nakakatawa pala to. The Office.